Hi everybody, my name is Lyric and today this is going to be an exciting video because this video is a giveaway video. You guys remember that like African-esque hair that I had in, like that really thick hair? Well, am I just going and sort of picture right here? So that's here. So that company is called Luxe Hair, and Luxe Hair is giving away 4 bundles of their hair. So already in it you already have a thank you card, and this is what the bundles look like. Well, just one. So you're getting 4 bundles. You're getting one. Let me take this out and show what it looks like. So you'll be getting their Eurasian hair, you'll be getting their Eurasian straight, and this bundle is a 22-inch hair. And you'll be getting 3 other bundles. So in all, you'll be getting 4 bundles of Eurasian straight to you from Luxe Hair. So I've done a lot of reviews, and it's been a while since I've had a hair company that I've worked with actually give back to my subscribers. So I really appreciate her for doing that for you guys. So how it is that you are going to win this hair? Well, let's just take a break and read this little bit of information. So in the description bar as well as where I'll put also how you can win this hair, but you do have to have Instagram and Facebook. Please, not ask no foolishness. But Lyric, when I have Instagram, you can still join? No. If it's an Instagram giveaway, I don't have Instagram, or if you join. So if you have Instagram and Facebook, you are already on the right track. This is perfect for you because you do have to have those 2 social networks in order to participate in the giveaway. It is very simple. You're not asking me to make a video, but it's asking you to like, comment, stuff like that, and also to support the business that's actually giving the hair. So yeah, that's it for this video. Pretty short and sweet, to the point. Hope you guys do enter, and this giveaway will start today and it will end on the 23rd of December. Crap. No, because I need to ship it to you guys for Christmas. Okay, so this giveaway will start today, and unfortunately it has to end on the 17th of December. And the reason we're ending it on the 17th of December is because I want to get the hair in time, and I don't know how far you are. This is open internationally, and I want to get it in just in time for Christmas. And if you miss it Christmas, you can probably get it before the New Year's. So this giveaway ends the 17th of December. If there are any changes, if the company and I go over something that we need to revise or say that I didn't say, everything will be linked in the description bar below. So please check out the description bar to see if there's anything that I missed out or said or didn't say, stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.